Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and I'm sorry about me sounding a bit croaky, but I've got the flu. So we're here today for October's giveaway. I'm hoping my voice will last. My voice has been intermittently not working, so I hope to get this video done. So it starts today, the 1st of October, and it closes on the 27th, and the winner is announced on the 29th. My giveaway I will show you in a minute. I just want to do it. I'm responsible for the purchase. I purchased everything that's in the giveaway. YouTube is no way affiliated with that. You need to be 18 years and over. You must be a subscriber to my channel. What else? It is worldwide. I post my giveaways worldwide, so it's not just for people in the UK, it's for every, you know, wherever you are in the world. And I'm trying to think what else I need to tell you. Anyway, as I said, this goes live today, the 1st of October, and it closes on the 27th, and I'll announce the winner on the 29th of October. I don't know where this year's gone, guys, and but I will, please check out the description box below. All the rules and regulations as set out by YouTube are in the description box, and I would thoroughly advise you to read them. Also, if you would share me out, share this video out, that would be amazing, to your friends, and I would really appreciate that. So what have I got for you? Well, as you all know, I've just come back from Turkey, and I bought some Turkish yarn, and we have got Papatya Sunday, which is a microfiber acrylic, and this is colourway number 15. There's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 320 meters, which is 350 yards, and it's a 3-weight, so it's a DK, and you've got 3 of these. Got 3 of them, so they're all the same dye lot. I checked all that before I purchased, so that's that. And you get a few notions, so you're going to get a 5mm crochet hook, you're going to get some tapestry needles, a little tape measure, and a little box of stitch markers. So all I need for you to do is give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and you'll be in with a chance of winning this my October's giveaway. So thank you all so very much for all your continued support. Welcome to all my new subscribers, thank you, and I hope you enjoy my content. You can find me on Ravelry as Disley Sisters Creations, or Linda I think it's Linda Simpson Designs on Ravelry, and on Instagram I'm Linda Simpson Designs, and we've got Disley Sisters Creations as well, and I've got a Facebook group called Disley Sisters Creations. If you would like to come and join us, that would be awesome. Share your work with us and that. So I really look forward to getting to know you all a little bit better. Please excuse my voice. I think it's about on its way out. So I am going to love you and leave you. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.